tried to do that. I've done some refuel, now they're going to refuel us in midair.
A refueling tanker? Sir, there may be a way to get these people off the plane.
What do you mean?
We have emergency parachutes and the tail comes lower too high. If we could somehow get a message to the refueling tanker, getting to drop to 15,000 feet, we could jump.
They're disabled phones. They control the radios.
Mr. President? Sir? The fax machine.
Told you the phone lines are out.
No. Voice lines and faxes are in two different systems of encryption. You disable one, it's very easy to overlook the other.
This works. You get to be Postmaster General. Come with me. These people are ready to go.
Yes, sir. Remember, 15,000 feet and 200 knots, otherwise it's suicide.
Clever people.
Where are we heading at?
Situation room.